MLToys here today to talk about our new shifter options for Power Wheel vehicles. Power Wheels is discontinuing all of their shifter parts, and we're going to keep you running for a long time to come. There's two different shifter styles that Power Wheels has used over the years. Most of the years they use this style shifter with a handle on it on the top. They usually went in like Jeep Wranglers, Escalade, Mustang, C7 Corvette, very popular units. And then the other style was what we call the Z-Gate style shifter. And this shifter went in F-150s, Jeep Hurricanes, and both styles of shifters went into Dune Racers depending on which model that you have. So here's the options that we have to keep you going. First of all, both of them use the same switches in them. So if you just have a switch go bad, we have switches available individually on the website. You don't have to replace the whole shifter, and the switches we sell, we rate for 24 volt use. So they'll work 12 volt, 18 volt SLA, 24 volt SLA, and they'll work with 18 to 20 volt power tool batteries as long as you're using our lithium module with it. So if you have the Z-Gate style shifter and the handle breaks or the plastic goes bad, that's where you're going to run into trouble as these get discontinued. What we've done is we've replaced it with this shifter plate. You'll notice the mounting screws are in the exact same location as your other Z-Gate shifter, and the switches are the exact same switches. So when you get this plate, you'll have the option. You can get it without the switches and take yours out and put it in, or you can get our higher voltage switches and put them in, and the kids can now just hit the switches manually, forward, reverse, high and low speed. You will not have reverse high speed like you don't right now. That's the safety for the child. The other option you have is with your standard shift patterns. They made these with 3 or 4 different shape handles, but they all have the same shifter body to them. So again, if you just break the switch, replace the switches. Sometimes though, these handles will break on them, so we started producing a new handle for them. I've taken the screws out of this one all ready to show you. There's nothing difficult to switching out the handles. You just pop your old one out and pop the new one in. We do recommend adding a little grease to the handle to help it slide over the switches. You can try it without it, see if it's too stiff for your child. It will wear in over time, but if you want them to, they need to be able to move it quicker, easier. This is exactly what it's doing. It's just pushing the switches manually as you go. So this is a great upgrade option or a replacement option for your Power Wheel shifter. We're going to keep you going with your Power Wheel vehicles for many, many years to come.